so much. Today, you guys, we are having Indian food, and tomorrow we're gonna have your favorite. I know you guys want the deep fried seafood, so we're having that tomorrow. I just went to the store and got everything that I need for that, so I got you guys. But today we are having Indian, okay? So I have the chili gobi extra spicy. I want you guys, if you're going to be tasting Indian food, this has to be something that you get. It is very delicious. It's kind of like a Asian inspired taste. It really reminds me of almost General Tso's. It gives me that type of vibe, like a sweet, spicy, tangy. It's so delicious. It's made from cauliflower and peppers and onions and just spices. It's just so good. Then we have goat biryani with onion and a hard-boiled egg. I absolutely love goat meat right now, you guys. I'm actually want to learn how to actually cook goat meat myself in different ways because we didn't grow up on goat meat. And then we have the spicy chicken tikka masala. You guys, I just got put onto this. I've only been eating this for a short while. So it has chicken in this. It's spicy. We have garlic naan. Let me show you guys what this garlic naan looks like. It looks so good. Let me bring it in closer for y'all. Look at all that garlic on there, you guys. It is just incredible. And then the chicken tikka masala comes with white rice. You guys, I'm gonna just let you guys know something right now. I'm about to eat like I've never eaten before, okay? I am hungry. I missed y'all. I know you guys missed me, and I don't want to do too much talking today, okay? I love y'all though. All right, so I am dunking this in here. Oh, let me show y'all up close. Look at that. Ooh, chicken tikka masala. It is buttery, creamy. I have no idea how they make it, but it is delicious. You guys, goat meat is so good. You guys really gotta try goat meat. Now, I don't even know where to find goat meat. I mean, I know you can go to like some halal places, halal store, grocery store, but you guys really have to try goat meat. It's so good. Like, it's better than chicken to me. It's better than beef, in my opinion. Very tender. And the great thing about the goat meat is when you buy it from like a halal place, it doesn't have any of those harmful, you know the stuff that they be doing to these animals, injections and stuff like that. This is my favorite. And it's so good, so spicy. And I love that they give me the hard-boiled egg. How have you guys been? I have been amazing. I missed y'all so much. Oh, this is good, y'all. It's spicy too. I told them extra spicy. You guys, this is good. I hope you guys are out there staying safe in all that you do. It's a lot going on, but we gotta stay focused, stay positive as much as possible. Honey, I already know. Some of y'all have been going through it. People been getting on your nerves. Trust me, I understand. But we gotta stay focused, stay positive. And hope for a brighter tomorrow and a brighter future, you guys. Somebody got to get this for dinner tonight. Somebody got to order some Indian food for dinner tonight. So much flavor, you guys. So much flavor. I love eating food with a lot of flavor. Oh my goodness, you guys. I went to a Moroccan restaurant. Finally found a Moroccan restaurant here. So we're going to be having some Moroccan food this week too. But you guys, I found, excuse me, I found my favorite dessert right now, which is called baklava. You guys, why didn't y'all tell me that that was that good? I tried it when I went to the Moroccan restaurant. You guys, baklava is so good. I can't wait to talk about it when we eat it. I'm definitely eating that on camera for y'all. So, Nicki Minaj is back, the queen. You guys, I love Nicki. Love Nicki. You know how you just had that one artist or two artists or actor or whoever? Or just somebody that you love that can just do no wrong in your eyes. Like, literally do no wrong. That's how it is for me with Nicki. She's just so, she's everything. I'm sorry, I just had to say that because I was just listening to some of her music. But yes, you guys, Indian food for dinner. I need y'all to have Indian food for dinner tonight. Get this order. Especially if you don't get anything, if you're scared to try Indian food and you don't get anything, please, you cannot go wrong with the chili gobi. Ooh. You cannot go wrong. And try some goat meat, y'all. When I tried goat meat, I was mad that I had never had it before. Like, really. Because it's so good. It's so tender and so fresh. It's so buttery and delicious. I feel like they put some type of cream or milk or something in it. So good. So, you guys, summer is around the corner. What are you guys doing this summer? Are you guys going on vacation? Are you doing anything fun? Going to the beach? Please let me know down below what you guys are doing this summer. I'm gonna be working this summer, you guys. Probably do a little bit of traveling here and there, but I just want to, you know, focus on my work and the things that I'm trying to accomplish right now. So I have a little bit of fun this summer, but I'm gonna be working this summer. I feel like I've had enough fun already. I've been having way too much fun, you guys. Don't work too hard, you guys. Don't forget to take time to yourself to do the things that you love to do. Even if it's just something simple as taking 5 minutes to yourself to just, I don't know, go into the bathroom for 10 minutes and just stay to yourself and get a breather. You know, because some of you guys are just so busy, just working, hustling and bustling, and just, you don't have no time for yourself. And that's no fun. I'm also thinking about, you guys, getting a motorcycle. I know. Thinking about getting a motorcycle this season. If you guys don't know, I love bikes. So, thinking about doing that. Purchasing my first bike ever. In the past, I've dated like biker guys and guys that are into like the biking stuff. But I never got my own bike. And now I want my own bike, y'all. I've been feeling real spicy lately. Like super spicy lately, you guys. So I'm just in a place in my life right now where I want to do everything that I want to do. And I want you guys to have the same mentality. Do everything that you want to do. If you get the thought in your mind and there's something that you want to do, do it, you guys. Seriously. That's my motto from here on out. I want to be happy in all that I do. In all that I do. I want to take adventures. I want to go places. I want to do things. I want to meet new people. You know, and I want to buy things that I always wanted to buy. You know, if you guys want to buy a house or anything that you want, it's attainable. It is attainable. You can have anything that you want, you guys. I don't care how big or small it is. You can have whatever you want. So if you guys want to buy a house, buy a house. Start saving. Buy a house, you know. You want to buy a new car and you can afford it, do it. Do it. Excuse me. Do it, y'all. Seriously. Do everything that you want to do. Everything. Everything. And don't make no apologies for it. And you ain't got to give nobody no explanation for it. Do it. Do everything that's going to make you happy. I want you guys to be happy this year. We've had a rough year. A lot of us have had a rough year. But we're here. We've made it. If you're alive, that's enough. That's good enough. We can figure the rest of it out. But you're alive. Somebody will take the same hand you got and flip it and turn it into their favor. Always remember that, you guys. Yummy. I'm full. So This is a lot of food. They give you a lot of food too. So much flavor. Oh my God. So much flavor. Mm. But yes, you guys, get out there. The world is opening back up. Get out there and have some fun, you guys. We've been cooped up. We have been cooped up in the house. Get out. If you're going to get your vaccine, get your vaccine. If you decide that you're going to wear a mask, wear a mask. Be safe. Watch the company that you keep. Be careful, you guys. I'm serious. Be careful. And have fun. Have a fun summer. I plan on having a hot girl summer. Like I said, I'm going to still be working and doing the things that I got to do. Doing little things here and there. But I'm having fun while I work. I'm going to have a lot of fun. So I love you guys so much. Thank you for being with me today. Thank you for rocking out with me. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for your kind words, your support. Everything that you guys do for me. Thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I love each and every one of you. I'm stuffed. Very, very stuffed. Whew, I wish I could eat this food, man. I wish I could finish it. You ever just have some food and it's so good and you just can't eat no more, but you're so greedy you just wish you could finish the whole thing? That's how I feel right now. Like, I want to eat all of this, but I'm so full. They give you so much food. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay. I love you, love you, love you, and I will see you tomorrow for another video. Again, we're having deep fried seafood. You guys have been asking for that, so we're gonna do the deep fried seafood, the QDQ sauce. Do you guys want some cucumbers too? If you guys want cucumbers, I'll give you guys cucumbers too. And I think I'm gonna try some tartar sauce this time. I'm gonna make some homemade tartar sauce to go with the deep fried seafood. Well, yes, you guys, I love you all so much. I will see you tomorrow for another video. Bye.